Introducing the EXUS Circular Polarizer, a polarizing filter that makes your landscape photographs even more beautiful. What is a polarizing filter? A polarizing filter reduces the surface reflection of subjects being photographed. This emphasizes color contrast and clarity to produce richly colorful photographs. You can attach or remove the EXUS Circular Polarizer depending on lighting conditions and the look you're going for. Taking pictures with a polarizing filter is not difficult, but there's more to it than simply attaching the filter to the lens. These next steps will show you how it's done. Be sure that the scene you're photographing is not backlit. Then turn the front frame while looking through the viewfinder. You'll see the color and contrast change as you turn the filter. When you see the effect you want, simply stop turning the filter. The polarizing effect depends on the angle of light. So, if you don't get the color or contrast you want, you can change your shooting position and try again. Now, let's look at how the EXUS Circular Polarizer increases the color contrast and saturation. Pay close attention to the color of the sky and contrast with the clouds. Gradually turn the polarizer's front frame and see the sky get deeper blue and the white clouds appear to pop. Even the grass and flowers in the foreground become more vivid. The EXUS Circular Polarizer is also effective when you want to reduce reflections on water, glass, or other surfaces. It also allows you to cut the glare that interferes with saturated colors when photographing solid objects. By simply attaching the EXUS Circular Polarizer to your lens and turning the rotating frame, you can create dramatically different results. The EXUS Circular Polarizer is also equipped with a number of innovative features that maximize the performance of your lens and help you get the best possible image from your equipment. The EXUS Circular Polarizer is made with high transmission polarizing film. It transmits 30% more light, so the viewfinder image is bright and easy to see. This makes it easier to focus, easier to compose your picture, and easier to see the polarizing effect. It helps you to see the shadow areas better, and you can shoot at a faster shutter speed. Shooting outside can often be a problem because static can cause dirt and dust to stick to lenses and filters. Try as you might, you just can't remove it. The EXUS anti-static coating repels dust and dirt and makes cleaning your filter a breeze. Let's take a look at the effectiveness of the EXUS anti-static coating. We'll try rubbing 2 filters with a cleansing cloth and see how they attract small styrofoam balls. First, let's try it with a conventional filter. The styrofoam balls cling to the filter, just as dirt and dust tend to do with these filters. Even if you wipe it away, it continues to cling to the surface. Don't you hate that? Now let's try it with the EXUS Circular Polarizer. As you can see, the styrofoam balls don't cling to it because of the EXUS anti-static coating. This makes shooting so much easier and worry-free. The EXUS Circular Polarizer also features an oil repellent coating, which protects the lens from stains and fingerprints. Let's test the effectiveness of this oil repellent coating. Since fingerprints are hard to see, we'll use a permanent marker to demonstrate the difference between EXUS Circular Polarizer and other filters. When we draw on a conventional filter with marker, it's difficult to wipe the stains away. With the EXUS Circular Polarizer, the marker barely shows up in the first place, and the little that is there is very easy to wipe away. The EXUS Circular Polarizer also features a water repellent coating. This allows you to take photos near waterfalls, rapids, fountains, and other places where water tends to splash and spray. It even works in rainy weather. Let's try it. First, we drop water onto a conventional filter and shake it around the surface. You'll notice that the water spreads over the entire surface, making it difficult to wipe off and dry. Thanks to its water repellent coating, the EXUS Circular Polarizer instantly repels the water droplets. The water beads up and can be dried quickly so you can focus on what's really important, your photographs. The EXUS Circular Polarizer also has an ultra-thin frame to prevent vignetting, even when using full-size cameras and wide-angle lenses. Thanks to the knurling on the rim of the frame, it's easy to attach the filter. In addition, the male thread is Teflon coated to make attaching and removing the filter smooth and easy. The frame has light shielding ridges and satin finish to reduce flare and ghosting. The outer edge of the filter glass is also blackened to reduce internal reflections. The EXUS circular polarizer is essential for landscape photography in all seasons. Whether you have a mirrorless camera or a DSLR, the EXUS circular polarizer is the one filter that will have the greatest impact on your images.